right.
Don't shake. Don't get dizzy.
Crouch. Okay,
Don't.
ready? 1, 2,
Up, up.
3.
Give Avery a chance.
Man. Let me see. Let me do it again. This is really high. This is before I had babies.
Rachel, Bella, come here.
All right.
Come here, girl.
Ready?
Are you ready? Come over here.
Grandma, wait. Let me come stand over here so I can stand up first.
I was just distracting you.
No, I just got it. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Hey,
See?
come here, Bella.
All right. Ready?
Bella.